Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise to deliver a steady supply of ice for your home or office. But which one truly stands out? Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other in terms of performance, features, and value for money. Get ready for a refreshing comparison. When it comes to pricing, the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker is priced at $87, while the Sweetcrispy model is more budget-friendly at $79. This makes the Sweetcrispy a more attractive option for those looking to save some money without sacrificing performance. In terms of ice production speed, the Igloo model produces 8 cylinder-shaped cubes every 7 to 8 minutes. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy model is faster, producing 9 bullet-shaped cubes in just 6 minutes. This speed can make a significant difference during parties or gatherings when you need ice quickly. Another important aspect to consider is the versatility of ice sizes. The Igloo model only produces one size of cylinder ice, while the Sweetcrispy offers 2 sizes of bullet ice. This flexibility can be beneficial for different types of beverages and occasions. In conclusion, both the Igloo and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Igloo is compact and easy to use, while the Sweetcrispy offers faster ice production and more versatility in ice sizes. Depending on your needs, one may be a better fit than the other. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.